start. Thank you. Okay, guys, today we'll take lesson 12, inshallah, interpret the remainder, page 227. Interpret the remainder, guys, means to understand what's the remainder represents. What's the remainder represents. In the previous lesson, we talked how to divide with zeros in quotients, Today also we'll continue in division, but today we'll talk about the remainder and the quotient. What are they represent in the question? So we'll deal with problem solving here. So we'll start on page 227 with example 1. I need a student to read here. If you want to read. Okay, Kareem.
Yes, Mr. Valerie.
Page 227, guys. Page 227, example 1. Read, ya Mister.
A state park has 257 evergreens to plant equally in 9 areas. How many evergreens are planted in each area? What does the remainder represent?
Good. So we have 257 plants called evergreens, and we have 9 areas. Okay, we need to know how many evergreens plants are planted in each area. Okay, what we will do to know that, yeah, Kareem?
We will divide.
We will divide 257 divided by 9. They wrote it here, guys, the division with empty squares. So we'll do it on the board. We will divide 257 on 9 to know how many evergreens can be planted in each area. And you fill the squares with me in example 1. So pick your pencil and focus with me here. Kareem, can you help me in the division now?
Yes. 9 divided 2. We can divide it 2. We cannot, so we'll take 25.
Yeah.
2.
2 up. Good. 2 by 9.
18.
18. Mumtaz. Let's subtract now.
5 minus 8 we cannot, so we'll take, so 2 will be 1 and 5 will be 15.
15. Yeah, 15 minus 8 is 7.
7.
But then, طبعا here 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write 0. Yeah, now we have 7. What we will do?
77. We will put the 7 down.
77.
77 divided 9.
Divided by 9, Mr. By.
8.
8. 8 by 9 is?
87.
72. Now let's subtract. 77 minus 72, how much?
5.
So the remainder is 5.
5.
Now fill the squares, guys. Fill the squares with these numbers, please, before we continue in the same question. Now, what's this mean? This mean, guys, in each area, we can plant 28 evergreen plants, right? But we still have 5 evergreen plants left, right, Kareem?
Yes.
So we can plant 28 evergreen plants in each area, and we have 5 evergreen plants left over. What's the meaning of the word left over, Kareem? Left over means the rest is still without planting. Got it? Hello? Kareem? طيب زياد?
Yes, Mr.
زياد, What's the meaning of the word leftover?
Leftover means remainder.
Means the remainder, the rest of the plants which with no area to plant, because the 9 areas are filled with the 28 evergreen for each, right?
Yeah, right.
Now go with me, Ziad, to the same question example down. What we read down here. So
the park plants 28 average in each area and 5 evergreens are left.
So we have 28 here and here 5, and fill the squares here. This is, we call it interpret the remainder, how to understand the remainder together. So 28, 5, and fill the squares here with the numbers which we did with Kareem, I think. Tamam?
Tamam.
This is example 1. Stay with me, Ziad. We'll go to example 2.
Okay.
This is example 1, guys. Fill the squares and down 28 then 5. Now, example 2. Example 2.
Yeah.
On the next page, we have example 2. See it, ya Ziyad?
Where?
ركز حبيبي ركز. Example 2. Read.
Multiply 9 multiply 2 equal 18. Subtract 25 minus
Mr.
18.
Hello. Example 2, you are not focusing. Thank you. Focus. زيد ضياء.
Oh.
زيد. عمر.
Yes, Mr.
زيد ضياء, are you here?
Yes, I am here.
يلا يا زيد. Example 2, read.
Sir, your camera is not on.
زيد, read example 2, guys. What's the matter with you? لا تخلونا أعصب. Read يا زيد.
A tent is put up with 7 poles. How many tents can be put up with 200 poles?
يا مستر example 2 page 28. What's the matter with you guys?
There are 50 students traveling in vans on a field trip. Each van seats 8 students. How many vans are
لا
needed?
حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. يا ابني example 2 page 228. وبعدين معكم. مش معقول، عن جد مش معقول هيك. يحيى.
Yes.
read example 2 يا يحيى أشوف.
There are 174 guests
But
invited.
thank you. This is example 2. This is example 1. This is example 2. What's the matter with you guys? إيش مالكم اليوم؟ خير؟ read يا ابني.
There are 174
read
guests.
يحيى.
There are 174 guests invited to a dinner. Each table seats 8 guests. How many tables are needed?
Good. So we have 100. Look at the board, guys. 174 guests. Okay. On each table, we can have 8 guests. Okay. So let's assume that we have a party and we have 174 guests, and on each table, the number of the guests that they can sit on this table is 8 guests. How many tables we need? What we need to do, Yahya, to know how many tables we need?
Divide 174 divided by 8.
So we will divide 174, okay? Look at the board, guys, divided by what? By 8 to know how many tables. Now here you have a squares. Let me write the squares for you. Wait, Yahya. Wait. Wait, Yabni. Yahya, are you with me? Hello? وبعدين معكم ايش في مالكم اليوم؟ عمر عدنان.
174 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8 we can. So we'll take the 7. 17 divided by 8. Delete the 2. 2 times 8, 16.
Continue.
17 minus 16 equal 1.
Then
14. 14 divided by 8, 1. 1 times 8, 8. 14 minus 8 equals 6.
so the remainder is
6.
Stop. What's this mean? Guys, fill the numbers, please. Fill the numbers, please. Fill the numbers, please. $21 up, remainder 6, and here the numbers. Now, Mr. What's your name?
Omar Adnan.
Omar, what's this mean? We have a 21, remainder 6. What's this mean in this question? Can you tell me?
Yes, they mean there are 21 tables are needed plus 6 tables.
No, this is not 6 tables. This is the remainder of this 174, right?
Yes.
And the 174 for what?
174 for guests.
So the 6 are guests, are what?
Guests.
So we have 21 tables, but still 6 guests still standing, right? They have no table. Got it?
Yes.
But if you have a party in your home, yeah, Mr. Omar, okay, let's assume that you have a party and you have invited 174 guests to your party, okay?
Okay.
And you have a 21 table, but still 6 guests are, 6 of your friends are still standing. Is it good to keep them standing or bring another table for them to make them sit on it?
To bring another table.
To bring another table for the remainder 6 people, right?
Yes.
So we have a 21 for the 8, but still 6. I need another table. So how many tables we need in the whole process?
27.
لا يا mister. These 6 needs how many tables? These 6 guests need how many tables to sit on? Each table can hold 8, right?
Yes.
Is one table enough for these 6 persons?
Yes.
Yes. So we need another extra 1 table, but we already have 21 tables. With the 1, how many tables we need to make all the 174 sit on tables? Hello?
Yes.
Omar, focus حبيبي, focus. What's what the 174? It is the number of the guests, right?
Yes.
Each 8 person or each 8 guests can sit on one table, right?
Yes.
So we need the number of the tables to make all of these 174 guests sit on, right?
Yes.
When we divide, we have a 21 table, but it's still 6 guests without table, right?
Yes.
So we have 21 tables and 6 person without table. I bring extra table for them to make them sit on. Okay, mister?
Okay.
So we have 1 table for the left of the people and we have already 21. Together, how many tables we need? Who can tell me, guys, how many tables we need here? Omar.
Yes.
Muhannad, how many tables we need?
22.
22 tables. We have a 21 and 6 people. I brought another table for them. With the 21, together, how many tables we need?
22.
22 tables. ممتاز Muhannad. 22 tables. Okay, when we divide, we have a 21 tables, but we need extra table for them. So together, we have a 22 tables. Okay, guys? Is it understood now?
مستر
Yes, يا عمر.
مستر بيج 227 مستر
227, mister. Now we are in 228.
okay
لسه مش فاتح كتابك يا عمر؟
I open it.
because I come late to the period.
ماشي, come late the period. Okay, يلا. This is example 2, guys. Copy the numbers and write 22 tables. And here, down, read ya Muhannad. So, Muhannad. وبعدين كنان.
Yes, Mister. So,
ركز يا كنان. مركز يا كنان؟
yes.
يلا يا كنان. And
So,
so,
a total of 21 plus 1 or 22 table are needed. 22
ممتاز.
table are
Right,
needed.
guys, 21 plus 1 or what? 22 tables are needed because we can't lift our guests without table, right?
Yes.
They are our guests. We can't lift them without table. So I have a 21. So I bring another table for the leftover of the guests, right, Kinan?
Yes, Mister.
Yeah. Kinan, go to the guided practice under, down, and read. Question 1.
A tent is put up with 7 pools. How many tents can be put up with 200 pools? We need to
يا
divide
مستر
along
لا اله الا الله يا مستر يا حبيبي انتوا ليش ما بتركزوا؟
Mister, I read the guided practice. A tent is put
Which
up
question?
with
You are
7
in the
people,
guided practice. Which
with 7
question?
pools. How many tents? Guided practice question 1.
Read guided practice question 1. يلا.
A tent is put up with 7 pools. How
حلو.
many tents can be put up with 200 pools?
So each tent needs 7 pools, right?
Yes.
But if we have 200 pools, how many tents we can make? Tents. What we will do?
We will divide
200 on 7. ممتاز. So question 1, guys, in the guided practice, we will make long division 200 divided by 7. And you will make the division, guys, beside the question here in this space. See this space besides the question? You make long division here. Yalla.
Yes.
Yalla. 200 divided by 7, ya Kinan. Can you help me with?
2.
Yalla, 2. 2 by 7.
14.
14. Mumtaz. Yalla. What's the answer of the subtraction?
6.
6. Mumtaz. Then
We put the 0 down.
60 on 7.
Yeah. 60 on 7 equal 8.
Mumtaz. 8 by 7.
56.
Mumtaz. 56. Subtract.
4.
Mumtaz. Ahsant. So how many tenths we can make, ya Kinan?
28.
We can make
Remainder.
28.
8 remainder 1.
Remainder 4.
Remainder 4.
Top. This 4. For what?
We have 4
Pools. Right? Pools. So we can make 28 tenths and 4 pools left over. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's go back to the question here and fill. Read. Interpret the remainder. What's the remainder, ya Kinan?
4.
Write 4, guys, here. There are what?
Are 4 pools left over.
So we will
which
write
is-
4 and 4, right?
Yeah, because,
Yalla,
because
continue.
4, it is not enough for another tenth. Because
So,
we need 7 and to do the tenth. 7 pools
So-
to do a tenth. So a total of 28 tenths can be put up.
Mumtaz. So we write 4, 4, and down 28. And here in the space, guys, in the space, you need to make the long division. So make the long division on the space besides the question. Yalla, ashuf. Shatrin.
Mister, I can mute myself.
Yes, you can, Mister. Thank you, Kina. Thank you. Yalla, I need the new students now for the next question. Who can help me? Where are the hands, guys? Malcolm اليوم كسلانين. هاشم.
Yes.
Yalla ya Hashim. We are done with the question 1, right?
Yes.
Yalla, let's go to question 2 in the guided practice on the next page.
There are 50 students traveling in vans on a field trip. Each
What's the
van
meaning of van, ya Hashim? Van. شو يعني van?
buses.
Small bus. A small bus, guys, like the buses of the school, okay? Continue.
How many vans are needed?
How many vans are needed? So the total of the buses, the total of the students, 50. In each bus, guys, we can put 80 students. How we know the number of the buses or of the vans are needed for this trip? Can you tell me how we know, ya Hashim?
We divide 50 by 8.
Yeah, let's divide 50. Besides the question, guys, here you have a space. Beside the question, make the long division. So here we will do the long division. Yalla ya Hashim. We have 50 students. Each 8 need one bus, one van. So let's know how many buses we need or how many vans we need. Yalla, divide, ya Mister.
5 divide 8 we can't. We will take 50. 50 divide 8. 5.
Divided by, ya Mister. By. احكي by 8.
50 divided by 8, 6.
6, ممتاز. 6 by 8, 48.
48.
Subtract.
Subtract equal to
2. What's this mean? What's the 6 mean? 6 what?
6 vans.
6 vans, right? And this 2, what's this 2, the remainder, for what?
Students.
Mumtaz. So, look here, guys. We can take 6 vans and still 2 students without van. What we will do, Ya Hashim? We will kick them out of the school and no trip, or what we need to do?
We will add another van.
We will get another van for these 2 students, right?
Yes.
So how many vans we need?
7 vans.
We need 7 vans. Excellent, boy. So here, guys, we have 6 vans. Still 2 students without a van. So bring another 1 van for these 2 students. So we have 1 van for these 2 students. With the 6 vans up, together 6 plus 1 equals 7 vans are needed for this trip. Excellent, boy. Thank you. So this division, guys, write it besides the question, and this answer here, write it under the question on the line. Yalla shuf. Shatrin. Sorry, guys. The long division besides the question, and this answer down, write it under the question in the line. 7 vans are needed. Let's go to question 3 now. Let's go to question 3. Yalla, who can help me with the question 3? Yasin.
Mister, you write pools wrong.
Pools, دقيقة. Pool, P-O-L-E. P-O-L-E.
P-W-O-L.
Okay. No, yeah, mister, the 1 O. Where is it? Pools, 1A, look here. 1 O, sorry. Look at the question, see it? What you mean, which is for water, the pool of the water? No, pool here is different. Pool in Arabic words means قطب, or something we can hold on. So it's a different word. Question 3, mister. Read.
Okay. How many payments of $10 would it take Samuel to purchase the scooter shown at the right?
What's the price of the scooter, yeah, mister?
79.
79. We need to know how many tens of money in this 79. So what we will do? Hello?
We divide.
We divide 79 on 10. 10 is the 10 riyal or $10 together. It has 1 paper, right? Now let's divide. What's the number we put it up? Multiply it with 10 to get 79 or less, ya Yasin.
Oh, 10 times
7.
70?
7 multiply 10 يا ياسين.
70.
يلا let's subtract. 79 minus 70 is $9, right?
Equals 9.
Good. Now, what's the 7 here? The 7 is the tens, right?
Yes.
And the 9 is still left over, $9. So, how many tens we will give the owner? We have 7, and for the $9, we need another 10 to cover the 9. So we have 7 plus 1 equals 8 tens payment papers. Now, the division, copy it, guys, besides the question. Here, besides the question, here or here, any place. And down here, you will write what? Here, this. Yalla, shuf. This is a question 3, guys. Let's go to question 4 to do it together. Yalla. Yalla, who can help me with the question 4 now? Yalla, I want the new students, guys. Where are you? Down, down. Where are you? Don't hide. Zaddiya, you didn't because you are not focusing.
Yes, Mr.
Because you
I
are
know
not
it.
focused, right? Not focusing, right? 3 times you read the question wrong. Why? Why is it?
In page 229, there is a question 2, so I thought you were talking question 2
Yeah,
and page
mister, we are not on page 229. I said we are in 227, example 1, example 2. ايش بدك على 229 انت؟ يلا read next question, question 4 اشوف يلا.
Okay, Mrs. Hodges made 144 muffins for a bake sale. She puts them into tins of 5 muffins each. How many tins of muffins can she make?
So the total of the muffins are 144. She wanna put each 5 on tins, right? Tins means small packages of the muffins. Okay?
Okay.
Tins, guys, T-I-N-S, not tens. Not tens, tens with I, not E. Focus. Now, what we will do, yeah, mister?
Divide 144 on 5 by 5.
Yeah, let's make division. 144, the number of the muffins, on the 5 tens. Yeah.
5 divided by 1 We can't, so we take the 4 with it.
لا يا مستر not 5 divided by 1 يا حبيبي روق علي روق اهدى not 5 divided by 1 this is wrong
طيب, what's the correct?
1 divided by 5 okay
Okay, 1 divided by 5 we can, so we take the 4 with it. 14 divided by 5 equal 2. Put 2 up.
يلا
10
2 by
down
5
minus the answer is 4. 4 down now.
then
We have
4
put 8 up and 40 down
8 ممتاز
and 40
ممتاز.
down. Minus them, it's 4. The answer is 28.
So how many tenths of 5 we need? How many tenths of 5 we need? She can make
28.
طب how many muffins left over?
4.
So what we will write in the answer? 28 tenths with 4 muffins
4 left over.
left over.
Mr.
Okay?
Muffins is wrong.
What? Sorry.
Muffins is wrong.
Yeah, sorry. 28 tenths with 4 muffins left over. Copy this, guys, the division besides the question and the answer here under the question. Copy أشوف يلا. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Goodbye. It's okay, guys. If you didn't do the homework of this lesson, just focus on your exam on Sunday, inshallah. Goodbye.